Hi everyone, Edna Kimble, Edna Sells, Century 21 Wright Real Estate, and today we are talking about down payments. Now, the market has normalized and more buyers are getting into the market and purchasing using FHA, VA, and rural development loans. Now, all of these loans have different criteria on what the down payment is, but let's break that down and see what we're actually talking about. A down payment is what your lender is going to require from you to bring to the table out of pocket. Now, there are a couple of loan types in our market where that is actually zero. That's correct, you don't have any down payment, and that would be your VA loan or your rural development loan. Now, you still have closing costs, and that is where a lot of buyers get confused. Those closing costs can be negotiated through the seller, which would still help you and prevent you from having to bring money or down payment. But down payments are set by your lender, not by the seller, not by the realtor. So when working with your lender, be sure and ask them what is the amount of the down payment that you're going to be required. It typically is anywhere from 3% all the way up to 20%. Now, again, in our market, we're a very rural area. You can qualify sometimes for rural development, which means zero down payment, but you still have the closing costs. So that is down payments for you. If you have any specific questions, please reach out. I think the number one thing to remember is go with a local, reputable lender. Tahlequah, we have so many great lenders here locally. Reach out, shoot us a DM. We'll give you our top 3 to 4 local lenders that you should talk to. Thanks, everyone.